Hey guys, 828 Find Adventure. I've got a new interior mod that is made to go behind the 8-inch screens, and you can get one for the 14-inch screens. I'm going to show you how I'm going to install this. I'm also going to show you how I modify it. It's kind of a handy little thing. You know, I'll probably put my gloves there, sunglasses, stuff like that. But let's get to it. Let me show you how I'm going to do this. I'm adding one little option to it, modifying it a little bit. Okay, there's a lot of air traffic today, so let's try to ignore that the best we can. So in this box, let me show you what I got. It's going to go right here. I want to show you, you know, we all have this 8-inch screen or 14-inch screen, and it's got kind of this dead space behind it. It's just this big piece of plastic. Now, they do make some powder-coated metal things that go there that hold your phone. Maybe we'll do that later. I'm not sure. Maybe I'll put a forward-facing camera type thing there. We'll just have to see. So basically, this is what you have. And these right here go over the screen. Now let me show you what I'm talking about there, and then I'm going to show you how I'm going to modify this. So this right here, it goes right over. Can you see that? That's it. Check it out. So that's pretty cool. It just goes right over. But you hear that? Going over bumpy roads, if you don't have any weight in it, it's going to sit there and vibrate on your dash. Because the dash is hard, unless you have a dash mat, which I might put in this later. But right now, I'm not. So how am I going to handle that? Well, let's pull this off. Let's look at it some more. Now you can see it also comes, this one also comes with this rubber mat in here, which is nice. Keeps it quiet. And you could also, you know, make your own, do whatever you needed. Has a little slot on the side for a wire. It's also threaded. If you see these four mounts, if you wanted to put, you know, these, let me show you. If you wanted to put these ball mounts in there, so you can just take this and screw it down, and then you can attach mounts like RAM mounts, and then attach your phone or camera or whatever you want to do. So let's take that out. I'm not going to do that right now. So how am I going to modify this to keep it from rattling? Well, so if you remember on my Tundra, I had Bushwhacker fender flares. They were OE style, but they came with this rubber trim that went against the paint, and it sticks on with this 3M tape. You can see that? So what I thought about doing was just putting this all around this edge at the bottom. And I figured if I did that, let me show you. I'm gonna get some of it on here, and then I'm gonna show you. Because I got to pull that tape off and put it on there. But basically like that. And see, I can put a rubber edge all the way around. This stuff is made out of the ABS or whatever that my fender flares were made of. This stuff will stick fine. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on. It's just, like I said, double stick tape, and then be right back.
A few minutes later.
Okay. You can see I did that rubber strip all the way around. You can buy those in all different lengths on Amazon. It's just like a fender flare seal. You can also probably get it on, you know, Bushwhacker's website or whatever. But anyways, so here we go. I'm going to show you how to do this. You just press it down like that. Boom. And I've got a nice rubber cushion. And this does not, I don't think I'm going to have a problem at all with it rattling or anything. Yeah, that works great. Now, it doesn't sit, because I put that rubber seal, it doesn't sit all the way down flush, but it's not going anywhere. So I think we'll be okay. I mean, that's really, and it really stays on good. So if you have one and it rattles, you can do that to it. But there you go. I'm going to put this in here, put my little phone mounts, and I got a camera mount. You know, if you need one, there you go. Look at that. All right. So there we go. That's pretty cool. And that rubber piece just kept it down. You might have another idea of how to keep that from rattling, but that's what I'm going to use. It's pretty nice. I still got my little chargers over there, my USB-C. Got my RAM mounts up there and everything, and I think that's going to hold pretty good. You know, you could probably double stick tape this down on top of the 8-inch screen also, and that would really hold it secure. But I wanted to show you that. It's a really cheap mod you can do. Now, you can put things up there like your sunglasses, keys, wallet, whatever you do. I'm probably going to, in the winter, I like to keep my gloves up there. And, you know, I saw this really neat wireless front camera that has a little bitty screen, a little bitty monitor, and I thought maybe I could mount that in here as long as it doesn't obstruct my view of other things. But yeah, it's pretty cool biz right there. I like that. Easy mod that I modified with that little rubber gasket. So I'll put links under the video in the description for this product and the gasket if you're looking for it. And you know, it's handy. Not everybody needs it, but it's something. And I just thought I'd share it with you. Okay, guys, I hope you liked that video of me installing this little mod. You know, some people might like it, some might not. It's handy. It'll hold things. You know, in the 4Runners, going from a Tundra to a 4Runner, the Tundra, I had lots of big, bulky storage, and I added some. And there's always a need for places to put things in these vehicles. The 4Runner and the Tacoma have less room. The Tacoma does have under-seat storage, which is nice. Kind of wish the 4Runner had some forethought there and get some under-seat storage, but, you know, it is what it is. More air traffic. So anyways, hope you liked the video. If you would, like, share, and subscribe. I got links under the video in the description. And I will see you next time. More videos coming on the Tacoma and the 4Runner. See ya.